Yeah, guys. Um, it's Mark here from YouTube. I just thought I'd make a little video for you. It's been ages since I've posted anything on YouTube. The my last video was back in June of 2024. So I've been having a little break from gaming, but I might get back into it soon. Yeah, I've been focusing on doing up my living room slash home theater. We're currently painting the roof black to make it look bit better, and I recently have had some of the automatic blinds put in to make it more darker. So yeah, so but I need to buy a GoPro or something to do a video of that. But that might be later down the track. I might look at that. Yeah, and then I just been buying a crap ton of 4K movies. I have over what 200 what is it? On my Synology NAS, I have got I've got what is it? Yeah, I've got 230 um movies so far, and that is only since I've I've only recently have started buying them. When do I start? I started on still on July, July 7, 2024. So yeah. So since July, of 2024. I've got I've got 230 movies so far on my Synology, and I use that to stream to my they do out in the lounge room, and the, and I use Mac MKV to rip all my movies that I buy. Yeah, so then so far she's working out good, but I still have to um get another redo for my bedroom so I can watch all my movies when I'm in bed. Yeah, so but I'm just focusing more on my living room at the moment. We we're gonna do another coat of black paint on the roof to just finish it off, and then yeah, so and then in the meantime I will keep buying more and more movies. And then if you wanna see a list of all my movies, I will put that in the description for you. Yeah. So yeah, so I guess I'll do a quick update video, and I'm gonna buy a new what is it? Get a new what the fuck is it? Yeah, I'm gonna get a 42-inch. I'm gonna get two 42-inch LCD lids for my computer room. One for my gaming setup, and one will be for my cameras. When I get them all set up, and now I gotta get I'm currently using the Ring doorbell, but I'm going to switch to a Unify doorbell. I'm gonna get the I'm gonna get the. Hang on a second. Unified. D4. Yeah. I'm going to get the Unify Protect D4 Pro Black doorbell. So then that way I can see all my cameras and shit on my on one of the 42-inch screens, and then I can play games on the other one because I find that the gaming monitors now, because my old gaming, what my other gaming monitor had crapped itself, so I'm temporarily using my spare one, but I'm gonna but I thought buy a couple of 42-inch yeah, 42-inch TVs. Yeah, and they got all the gaming features and shit. So yeah, so yeah, so that will be coming soon. Yeah, so that's what I've been up to these past few months. But I'm going to get back into gaming. I think, yeah. So, so I'll be back on Twitch for a little bit. Yeah. So, uh, uh, I think that's about all I want to let you guys know that I'm still alive and I'm still kicking, but I'll just been updating my lounge room and painting the roof black. Yeah, so that's why I haven't been playing games much, and I've been ripping movies. So yeah, alright. So I think that's all. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll put all the links down in the description. So, alright, cool. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys soon.